Friends, welcome to my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Today I am sharing quick and easy cucumber pickle recipe. Cucumber pickle is very refreshing and best for summers. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. Before moving to the video, I would request all of you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. We'll take 2 pieces of cucumber. Firstly, we need to remove the bitterness from the cucumber. So what we'll do is, we'll just simply cut one edge and we'll rub it off like this. This is the traditional old method which we use for removing the bitterness from cucumber. Rubbing will release all the bitter juices from it. That's it. We'll just simply remove this portion. Thereafter, we need to cut cucumber in dices. Our cucumbers are ready. We'll transfer it in a bowl. In our diced cucumbers, we'll add all the spices. So firstly, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of Asfoetida or hing, 1/4 teaspoon of Fenugreek seeds powder or the Methi dana powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Haldi, 1 teaspoon of colored red chili powder. I've added half a teaspoon of white til or sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. That's about it. Now we'll combine everything nicely. This is a very simple pickle recipe, an instant one. After mixing it well, we'll add salt in it. Here goes 1 teaspoon of salt, and give it a stir one more time. You can alter the quantity of spices as per your taste. And here is your fresh instant cucumber pickle ready to serve. Yes, it's this simple. No need for any fermentation. One can store cucumber pickle in a glass jar and keep it in refrigerator. This pickle will last at least for 10 to 15 days. This is a great accompaniment to any meal. So do try making this pickle recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.